If you want to take your adventures off the beaten path, then you need equipment that is able to stand up to the challenge. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and this is our 20 by 20 RV Overland Window, RP-VRLWIN-2020. The overall dimensions for this window are 20 3/4 inches in height by 20 3/4 inches in width, with a 2.5 inch depth when closed, up to 21.5 inches deep when opened. The window features an inner and outer powder-coated heavy-duty aluminum frame, which you can see the inner frame here, while the aluminum metal keeps the window lightweight yet very strong and durable. The window itself is created from glazed double-pane acrylic plastic, a material that is well known and widely used in many industries, all thanks to its incredible resistance to impacts, UV light, and other forms of damage. All in all, this makes the window incredibly resilient and highly durable, which is exactly what you want on a piece of off-roading equipment. Sturdy rubber seals within the window help prevent leaks from rain, snow, and other sources of moisture, while the interior locks inside the window help keep it closed when you want it closed, but they're easy to undo for when you want to open the window. You just pull the little levers and lift up your window. And it's easy to keep open too, thanks to the telescoping supports. And all you need to do is tighten down the little knobs, and it'll hold the window open for you. You don't have to prop it open with a stick or something. Overall, these windows are perfect for overland trucks, camper vans, and much more. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, whether you're rolling down the road or off the road, roll with RecPro.